Ever felt a sadness you just can't shake, but you can't explain it either? What if I told you that your sadness is like a message in a bottle? If you take the time to open it, you'll discover the key to your emotional freedom. Today, we're diving deep into the powerful reasons why it's crucial to figure out why you feel sad and how doing so can change your life. We all experience sadness, but many of us are guilty of brushing it off. "I'll get over it," we say. But here's the truth. Understanding why you feel sad is more than just an emotional exercise. It's a gateway to personal healing and growth. Today, I'll show you exactly why you should never ignore your sadness and how figuring it out can elevate your mental and emotional well-being. Emotional awareness is power. Sadness doesn't come out of nowhere. When you take the time to identify why you're feeling down, you build emotional intelligence. It's like finally finding the missing piece to a puzzle. By asking yourself, "What's really bothering me?" you start to unravel the layers of emotional complexity. Is it stress from work, loneliness, a personal loss? Understanding these sources allows you to address the issue at its core rather than masking it with temporary distractions. You become more in tune with your internal world, recognizing triggers and patterns that impact your mood. This awareness not only helps in moments of sadness, but gives you insight into how your emotions operate in all aspects of your life. Stop the emotional snowball effect. Ignoring your sadness doesn't make it disappear. Instead, it accumulates, leading to more profound feelings like anxiety, frustration, or even depression. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and harder to stop the longer it's left unchecked. Unresolved sadness can start to interfere with your daily life, affecting your relationships, work, and overall mental health. It might make you feel constantly overwhelmed or even numb to your surroundings. Figuring out the root cause early on can prevent this emotional snowball from growing out of control, giving you the power to dismantle the issue before it spirals into something unmanageable. Unlock your path to healing. Think of sadness as a clue that something in your life isn't quite right. Is it a broken relationship, unmet goals, stress? Left unaddressed, this sadness can linger, but by identifying its origin, you open the door to healing. Once you pinpoint what's causing your sadness, you can take proactive steps to heal. Maybe it's something as simple as taking time for self-care, talking to a friend, or even seeking professional support. On the other hand, it could be a signal for deeper life changes, like ending a toxic relationship or setting boundaries at work. Either way, the healing process starts by understanding the why behind your sadness. Boost your mental resilience. Facing your sadness head-on builds resilience. Each time you navigate the process of identifying and confronting your sadness, you strengthen your mental toughness. It teaches you to process emotions in healthy ways, rather than letting them fester or overwhelm you. Over time, this builds emotional resilience, enabling you to bounce back faster from future hardships. When you understand why you feel the way you do, you develop personalized coping mechanisms, whether it's journaling, talking to a trusted person, or practicing mindfulness. These tools help you not only manage sadness, but also face any emotional challenge life throws your way. It enhances your decision-making. Our emotions often influence the choices we make. Unacknowledged sadness can cloud your judgment, leading to impulsive decisions or actions that don't align with your true needs. When sadness lingers in the background unchecked, it can distort your perception of reality. For example, it may cause you to withdraw from relationships, avoid challenges, or even engage in unhealthy habits. When you understand why you're sad, you make decisions from a place of clarity rather than emotional confusion. This leads to more thoughtful, purposeful actions, helping you to stay aligned with your values and long-term goals. Prevents burnout. Ongoing sadness without understanding can drain your energy and zest for life, eventually leading to burnout. This emotional fatigue can start to affect all aspects of your well-being, making even small tasks feel insurmountable. Whether the sadness is linked to work, relationships, or personal issues, allowing it to remain unaddressed can result in chronic stress, exhaustion, and feelings of helplessness. By discovering why you feel sad, you can address the underlying cause and take proactive steps to relieve the emotional burden. This could mean adjusting your workload, taking time off, or seeking help from a counselor. By doing so, you prevent emotional and mental exhaustion from taking over. Cultivates emotional balance. We're not meant to live in extremes. Ignoring sadness can create emotional imbalance, leading to extreme mood swings or periods of emotional numbness. Figuring out why you feel sad helps you maintain emotional balance, allowing you to experience your emotions in a healthy and regulated way. By acknowledging your sadness, you're not pushing it away or letting it control you. Instead, you're giving yourself permission to experience the full spectrum of emotions, which ultimately makes your happier moments more fulfilling. It's all about harmony, finding the balance between joy and sadness so that neither dominates your emotional landscape. Strengthens self-compassion. When you investigate your sadness, you're engaging in an act of self-compassion. It's a way of saying, "My feelings matter, and I deserve to understand them." Often we're quick to dismiss our sadness as unimportant, or worse, judge ourselves for feeling down. This can lead to a harsh inner dialogue and feelings of guilt or inadequacy. However, by taking the time to figure out why you're sad, you practice kindness toward yourself. This approach fosters a more compassionate internal environment, reducing the chances of internal criticism or self-judgment. You're not just being sad, you're showing yourself the care you deserve, which can have a ripple effect on your overall well-being. Next time sadness creeps in, don't ignore it. Ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update, and share your thoughts in the comments below.